What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today, as you are watching this, the ice storm, ice event, whatever it is, had already happened. So this is definitely a pre-recording of things that have already happened. And I'm going ahead to make a video about it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to show you this event and give you my reaction as I saw it. Hopefully no one will kill me in this first game I'm at. Like, everybody just chill. Everybody be chill. That's all I'm asking, is just everyone just be chill. Just be chill. We all want to see this event. Alright, let's try and load into our second game right now. Alright, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I just want to get a weapon to defend myself in case. Like that one. Please, everybody just be chill, just be chill. We all want to see this happen. We all want to watch it. Oh, God. Again, everybody be cool. Wait to see where the circle goes. Just be cool. Everybody just be cool. Don't make me. I will. Yep. I didn't trust you. Hey, nice try, guy. How well did that work out for you? No, don't start shooting. Everybody just be cool. Everybody just be cool. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Something's happening. Something's happening. Oh, look at it. Look at him go. Look at him go in there. Oh. The Ice King just escaped. The rest of the map's becoming snow. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. There was no way I was coming out of that alive. But oh my god. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you saw what you like. I hope you enjoyed the event just like I did. I had a good time watching it. This was actually my first live event that I was able to see, like, live in person since the cube fell into Loot Lake and made it to a bouncy lake. So it was pretty nice to be able to see a live event again. I wasn't able to check out the butterfly one. If you guys enjoy what you're seeing, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, give the video a nice like, and leave a comment down below of what you thought of the new ice event that just happened with the Ice King. But that's all I have for you guys today. Have a good one and take care.